Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I get my nails looking from this to this with nail tips and dip powder. So to start off, you always want to push back your cuticles, then cut off the dead cuticles as well. It helps prevent lifting and makes your nail set look way fresher. If this is your first time cutting your cuticles, just be really careful because you can cut yourself since the tool is pretty sharp. I'll also put where I got all of my items in the description below. Next, I went ahead and used a medium/fine buffer to dull out the shine on my nails. This will help the dip powder to stick better onto my nails. Next, I used these tips and paired it with this maximum speed glue. I already sized my nails with the tips off camera, so now I'm just gluing it on. I make sure to hold down the tips for about 5 to 10 seconds before moving on to the next nail. So next is cutting the tips. When I cut them, I make sure to make them slightly longer than my ideal length, just because I will be filing them down later on in the video anyways. In this step, I'm shaping them how I want. I love square nails, but it's just personal preference. I didn't show it in the video, but I did cut a little bit of the sides of my nails with my big nail cutter. I don't like that bulky nail look, so by cutting the sides a bit, it will make your nails look a little more skinny looking. Because once you put on the dip powder, then gel, it will make your nails look more bulky, but if you cut the sides, it will help to eliminate that look. So next I filed down the nail tips just a bit because these particular tips are a little thicker, so I'm just filing it to flatten it a bit. Now I'm using this pH bond from Gelish to dehydrate my nails and take off any excess oils. So next you'll need your dip powder and base coat to start dipping. What I do is put a thin layer of the base coat right next to the tip because like I said before, the tip is a bit bulky, so by doing this it will help level everything out. Once I was done with my first layer, I used an old makeup brush and lightly brushed off any excess powder. Then I go back to my base coat and brushed on a second layer, but I didn't go all the way up to my cuticle, just only centimeters away from it. You don't want to put too many layers around your cuticle area because that will be too thick around the cuticles and will cause easier lifting. Make sure when you're brushing on the base coat to only do it in thin layers and not too thick. If you want that thick look for your nails, just make sure to keep using thin layers of base and just keep dipping. In total, I only dipped 3 times, but it's up to you guys by the end of the day. So this was my third and last dip. On this step, I just painted my whole nail with the base and dipped it. Then I took the gel activator, put it all over my nails, and usually you wait about 2 to 3 minutes before filing, but I went ahead and did my other hand off camera. And this is what my nails look like after dipping and before filing. After I was done doing my other hand, I went ahead and started reshaping / filing my nails. This part is so tedious to me because I'm such a perfectionist and I want my nails to look a certain way. This part takes me forever to do. I would love to invest in a drill one day, but as for now, it's manual work. I forgot to show it in the video, but I went ahead and buffed all my nails after filing, and this was the end result. I then washed my hands with water only off camera, and now time to paint. I usually use a base coat when I paint my real nails, but in this case, since I'm painting over an artificial nail, I didn't think to use one. But you can definitely use a base coat if you want to. When painting with gel, even with regular polish, always paint thin layers and build up from there. Trust me when I say this. I turn my nails to each side to make sure I don't miss a spot and to get as close to the cuticle without painting over it or get any polish on it. This part is tedious as well and also takes a lot of steady hand and practice. Since this polish is pretty potent, I went ahead and only did 2 layers. Then I went ahead and put a thin layer of top coat and we are all done with the painting. You then take an alcohol and a cotton, then wipe off that tackiness and done. Don't forget to use an oil to rehydrate your nails. And voila! Here is the end results. My nails will last and are good to go until I do my own fill around 2 weeks. Let me know what you guys think and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, bye!